Many people want to start poultry farming, but they lose money because they start the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a layer poultry farming the right way without costly mistakes. My name is Emilia and I run a layer poultry farm. Let's go straight into the step. Step number 1, start small. Do not start with too many chicken. Many beginners make mistake by starting with too many birds or too many chicken. Start with 50 or maybe 100. In this way, this will help you to learn better. It will help you to learn faster. It will help you to manage better and reduce the risk. Step number 2, prepare housing. Your chicken need a proper housing. Make sure you have a good ventilation. Make sure that your floor is dry. You have enough litters on the floor for the chicken, enough space, and also make sure that your housing is protected from rain and also predators. Poor housing leads to diseases and lower egg production. Step number 3, choose the right age. For the beginner, for beginner, the best option is 16 to 18 weeks. 16 to 18 weeks old period that have a lower risk. Why? Because when you start with 16 to 18, they have lower risk, no brooding, no stress for brooding, no brooding stress, and also eggs start soon. You start to see see your egg very soon. Step number 4, feed properly. Feed is the most important cost. Always use the layer feed. Avoid cheap or wrong feed. Constant feeding is equal to constant egg production. Step number 5, water is a critical in the layer poultry, in the layer chicken. Clean water must always be available. You must always have clean water available for your chicken. No water, no egg. Water is the most important part of the chicken to produce egg or to give you enough egg. Change water daily and keep it clean. Step number 6, layer need 14 to 16 hours of light per day. Make sure that your layer have enough light, whether it's natural light or maybe add some light in there. This helps to maintain the egg production. Step number 7, health and vaccination. Prevent diseases before it starts. Make sure you vaccinate your chicken. Follow the vaccine schedule. Keep the coop clean and limit visitors. More visitors, more disease that people they bring into your farm. Prevention is better than treatment. Step number 8, know your numbers. Track your egg per day. Know how many eggs you produce every day. Your feed usage, how much you are using the feed you are giving to your chicken. Know your feed. Know your expenses, how much you are using for your feed and how much you are selling your egg. Know your numbers. As I always say, poultry farming is the business of number. Step number 9, plan your market. Before egg comes, know how would you buy? Where would you sell them? Do not wait until the egg piled up. Look for market. Finally, my final message for you. Poultry farming always work if you start small. If you start small, it's always work. Follow the right step. Stay constant. Follow the vaccination. Make sure that your chickens are healthy and you are giving them enough water. Avoid shortcut. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe. How many eggs are you producing?